Hello guys. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Surya Bagaskara and my partner Setyohadi. In this project, we will presenting about hotel management system, but with the focus is the testing objects of this web application. Okay, what is hotel management system? The hotel industry is the one of the largest and most profitable industries in most countries. Hotel bookings have become an easy way to access facilities in hotels and especially in terms of service marketing. They have high profit with less operation than getting rooms without questions. And this project we create a website. Hotel can be booked online and easily. Okay, what is testing? Testing is the process by determining whether or not the application is acceptable limits or not. Black box and white box testing. Black box testing is the method which the design, implementation, or structure that being tested is known to the tester. And what is white box testing? Same with the black box, but the structure and design or implementation is not known to the tester. Okay. Next is unit testing. We use two unit testing in this project. First is JUnit and second is Jacoco. What is JUnit and Jacoco? JUnit is a unit testing framework for Java used and written by developer for testing a specific area of a functionality that to the code to be tested. Okay. And then what is Jacoco? Is a free code coverage library for Java which has been created by ECL team based on the lesson learned from using and integration existing libraries for many years. Okay, now I will run the program. Okay, this is our project. Okay, this is our project. I will explain about DAO. There is two libraries DAO in here. First is okay, this is our project. I will explain about DAO. On the DAO there is two folder. First is DAO login test and second is DAO pelanggan test. DAO login test, we can see in this test is system. The name is test login. Username is admin and password is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, now we run this syntax. We can see in this, we can see on the screen, but the test pass is 100%. And so what will happen if we change the password to 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 6 and 8? Now we run again. Okay, the test pass is 0. We can conclude this DAO login test if before we conclude, I will try again on the username with the true password and the username is false. The username now is admin5 and the password is 123456. Nah, in this screen we can see and we can conclude that if we false on the username or the password, the test will be 0 or we can go to the admin page. Okay, now we can go to the DAO pelanggan test. Okay, on the DAO pelanggan test there is test retrieve table pelanggan, test get by ID, test delete pelanggan, test edit pelanggan, and last is test add pelanggan. Now we can try this. First is test add pelanggan, but before we testing we have to close the syntax first. We can change the nama pelanggan to Idris and change to the email to idris@axis7@gmail.com. The nomor telepon is set tanggal. Now we run tes pelanggan. The test pass is 100% and we can see on the database is there is name with Idris with the number is 34. We'll give the screenshot to the screen. Now we have to open again the syntax. Now we have to test on the edit pelanggan. Okay, we will edit is Idris. We change name into if key. Now we run again. Salah ternyata. forgot to close the syntax. Okay, now we run again. Okay, I forgot to. Now we run again. Now the test is 100%, and we can see on the SQL the Idris changed into Rifki. And then we test to on the delete pelanggan. We have to open this syntax again. Rifki is the number is 34. Now we run. Okay, the test is 100% again, and the name of Rifki or Idris is gone now. Okay, I think it's enough from me. The next will be Setyohadi. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Setyohadi and I'm here to try and explain about the testing we have done on table pelanggan test. And here the first test we have is test get all records. This only means that if this works correctly, it will get all the records available, all the data available on our database, and it will convert it into an array of length. So for example, there's 21 data in the database, it will convert it into a number which is 21, and if the result is exactly the same as the expected result, which is 21, it will go as pass, but if not, it will go as failed. Next we have the test get by ID. This is a test to test a method on a search button. So the idea here is that if you click on the button, it will search for the data according to the ID you have set on our web project, and in here we set it into 1. So if this works correctly, the expected result is for the method to return to an edit XHTML, which is a web page we have. So if it works, it will go as pass. Next we have test edit. This test edit, it's quite simple. It's actually like an add or save, or actually I should explain the save first. Here we have the test save pelanggan. This is a test on a method on a register button or a book button, because we are booking hotel system management kind of project. So here we have, for example, set the nama pelanggan as Ipang, the email, the nomor telepon, and tanggal for the booking thing. So if this works correctly, it will return all of this. It will save all of this into the database and return to rooms. And of course it works, so it is a pass. And edit is literally the same. The only difference is that edit is used to edit the data which is available on the admin page. You can see it, not whoever have registered as a pelanggan, you can see it on the admin page, and then you can edit it, the data. And yeah, for example, we change the name from Ipang to, for example, Tati, and Tati, and etc, etc, etc. It should change the data in the database and change from Ipang to Tati, and then after that it should return to admin page. And next one is test delete, which is quite simple. It's just delete the data available on the database and we'll return it to admin page. Next, we have the table user test. In here, there's only one test because there's only one thing in the table user, which is the login button for admin. So yeah, we test it by setting the username and the password, and then see if the expected result is the same as this. Because we need to check on the database if admin is available on the database or not. If it is, then it will go as pass. That's it from our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.